All right, Nicole, what's your key takeaway from learning the ICO methodology?
Well, actually, it's a lot, but it's the thought behind. I would say the single source of truth.
Hmm.
That is the key because that I know where to go with what kind of information to which source and not to which application, just which source. It can be a variety of applications which are maybe able to do the job. However, some like it in blue, some like it in green. But I was always looking for the right tool. That was the wrong idea. I needed to look out for the right thought behind, like the shallow thinking and the deep thinking. That was
Yeah,
maybe, yes, the key
so it was the
after I
mindset
understood
change
that.
there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
How was the ICO framework helping you with this? You know, the ICO framework where we laid
Yeah,
out.
yeah, I know the circle, and I'm still working with it. Actually, I worked today with it because I'm still have to find out some things which are coming up during work. When work environmental is changing, you need to adapt your system, and this is perfect. And it's also perfect for private life. It's not just business.
All right, how do you use it for your private life then?
Because I also have to manage a family, of course, as it is, and there you have also your schedules to do and your tasks and simple things like go to the grocery when, who is already there, can take it with you. That is
Mm.
just efficient time managing.
Yeah,
So it's
amazing. Yeah,
actually
we hear it from other members as well. Once you get
yeah,
it in the work, it
exactly.
usually goes into the private
Yeah.
life as well. What do you think the impact was to have two coaches during the inner circle cohort?
That's perfect because it is, two different sort of people. You have different minds. You are like saying, if one is not getting where you are hanging on, the other one gets it immediately and the other way around. So,
Mhm.
and of course, because you come from different backgrounds in your life. So that is what makes it easy because sometimes you get it and sometimes Packer said, no, 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 it's that. And then, yeah, that was the point.
Yeah,
And
well,
so that's good. Yeah.
that's great. So, how would you assess the return of investment for the inner circle cohort then?
That is easy. It's about 120% you get more than I also recommended that to my colleagues.
Mhm.
And but the problem is they say, no, you did it. It's perfect. Just tell us how. And I said, no, 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 no. Do it on your own because everyone it's an individual journey, right?
Yeah.
And there are lots of things I just can implement what I learned from my team, but not for the individual one.
Yeah, that's it. It's all about the subtleties, and
Um,
there is the team approach where you can bring everybody together, but individually everybody works differently, and that's a good point. Yeah. So you would suggest it to other busy professionals then, as you just said.
I already did, yes.
Yeah, exactly.
And I
So
bought the book. I'm curious about when Amazon is able to deliver it. But I guess it takes a bit time.
so you purchased the paperback
Yeah.
version.
Yeah,
Great.
because I sometimes just like to have,
Yeah.
even if it's paperless movement, I know, I'm sorry, but sometimes I just need to have some paper in my hand. It's,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, well, we are offering a paper version and
Yes, exactly.
it's not
Ah,
about being paperless for the sake of it. It's
no,
about being conscious about wasting paper. And I hope having a iCur book is not a waste of paper, right?
no. Although I really thought about when I saw it's Kindle and I thought, hmm,
Yeah.
but then no, books are books.
Great. Yeah, thank you so much, Nicole.